In this video, I will show you how to create table. So it is the paper based on machine learning. So generally in machine learning paper, we need basically two tables, one for training, another for testing. So for training, we need mean training accuracy, standard deviation of training accuracy, and mean CPU time. So to do that, first we will copy the table structure provided by the IEEE conference template. So first I will copy that segment, that begin table, end table, and put it in the real section. So if I compile it, I will get that table structure. Now as mentioned that I need 4 column, one for ML model name, second is mean training accuracy, third is standard deviation of the training accuracy, and fourth is CPU time. So now we will first create the training accuracy head, and under that head we will place two columns, one is mean and this standard deviation. So here I will put training accuracy, and another head is I'll put here. So I will use multi-column for that. So training accuracy has two columns, so I'll put 2 here, and then I need CPU time. So we can see that we have training accuracy column and CPU time. So in place of table, I will put model. Now in the next, I will place two column under the training accuracy. One is mean, another is standard deviation. Here you can see that two column mean and standard deviation under the training accuracy. Now what we will do, so model head you can see here, so we will adjust that using multi-row. So for that we have to include the package multi-row. And here what we'll do, I'll write multi-row. So how many rows? For 2 rows. And inside that I'll place so you can see model here. So now I'll delete that head here. So you can see only model, mean, and also you can see that CPU time we'll adjust it for 2 rows. So here I can use the multi-row. So now here the C line 3, 2 to 3. So I'll delete here that sharp head. Now here you can see the column format I have done. Now I will put the data in the table. So first the model name, suppose MLP ampersand. So the second entry will put suppose 86.32 the mean, and the standard deviation suppose 10.13 for example, and CPU time it suppose 2.6. So you can see here I have entered one data item for MLP. Next I can do the same for other. So first I will delete that multi-column, that portion. First then suppose SVM ampersand 98.24, and the standard deviation is suppose 1.46, and then training time suppose 4.5, and then I'll put another horizontal line here. So then recompile. So I have got that structure. Now I'll place another model. So DT ampersand now 97.26 and 1.5, and the computational time suppose 5 or 3.5 minutes. So put another horizontal line. So here you can see the double backslash for new line and then horizontal line. Then I'll do it for another model, random forest, and suppose it is 99.16, and the accuracy standard deviation 0.05 and 4.3, and then double backslash and then horizontal line. So here you can see that I have placed the data for 4 model. Now if I want to change the alignment of the model name, left alignment, so I will place it L. So L for left alignment, C for center, and R for right. Now I will change the caption of the table. So mean and standard deviation of training accuracy with mean CPU time. Okay, now here the label. So I have to give the label of the table, training accuracy. Now I have already told previously that whatever figure you use or table structure you use, you have to reference that table and figure in the text. So I'll write here the mean and standard deviation bracket STD of training accuracy. Over 10 folds with mean CQ time are provided in table, again reference and the table level. So here you can see that the table reference are appeared here and the citation of the table provided by that way. So in the next video I will show you the table structure for testing accuracy.